Hello, my name is Teodor Voicu and I am a front-end developer at Eau de Web. I work with Plone Volto for about 2 years, and in this video I will talk about a way to improve the user selection in some widgets. So in Volto, we have this metadata form in here in edit. So, for example, for contributors, we want to have a feature when selecting a user and hovering on his name, we can see a tooltip label with his email. That's because sometimes one user is having more than one account with different emails, so you'll see the same name of the user, but you will not know which account is that. So for this, let's create two users, let's say. Okay. So let's say the famous John Doe. Let's say here John Doe something, and then put a username and a password. Okay, we have our first user. Let's make another one. So we'll still have John Doe, but with some other email. John Doe, other email. Okay. Okay. Let's save this. Now when we go to our page in the metadata for contributors, let's say, and we'll search for John. See, we have two of John Doe's, but when hovering on them we will see which one is the account that we want to use here. Okay, so next I will show you like how this was implemented, front end and back end. Okay, so for the backend part, I defined a custom term class that will store the user ID, the name, and extra the email. I basically override the users factory to fetch users including the email, and yield it using our custom term. Also some serializing done there. Okay, so that's basically it for the backend part. So we can receive in the front end also the email field. Then for the front end part, I made this component user select widget, and what's new about it, I defined my option as this, as a pop-up we have this position top left, which we can choose to be some other way, of course, and this option we send it to our final component. We send it here in this select async component. Okay, and after that we must of course register, let's say, our new widget. So we plug our widget into Volto by assigning it to Plone vocabularies.users. This makes it automatically used wherever user selection is needed. So now when we select, when we search for a user, we'll have this request which give us the email. So we can use this email in a label when hovering on the user full name. Okay, that was it. Thanks for watching it. I hope you enjoyed this video.